I must have had a windstorm. That fell off. I don't see any damage to the roof. I don't see any bends in the front. So, let's see a little. Have to bring, I guess, one thing I don't have up here is a snow shovel. So I guess I'm going to have to bring a shovel. Get that off the porch. But right now I'm going to walk up above and see if I can't get one of these four-wheelers started. Well, I got blown out best I could. Get it out in the light, maybe I can do more. Give it a little shot of it is out here. You don't use something for a while. I think it's probably, I don't know, it's only been probably a couple months since we've used that. The mice have already got to it. Next thing will be, it'll be frozen. Well, guys, came up today, figured I'd get things cleaned up from the snow. Went ahead and plowed the drive or the road. Cleaned off my solar panels. Did a few other things. The title of this video is Sometimes You Get Sidetracked. I'm showing you a collection of videos from, I don't know, the last few times I've been up here. You know, one's cleaning a branch that had fallen. Another one's just trying to get one of the four-wheelers running to check the trail cameras. I don't know, always run into something. So anytime I come up here, if I can get to what I want to get to, it's a good thing. In the summertime, we usually have mowing to do. And we haven't got too much snow. We got more here than we did home. So I don't know, probably a couple, 2-3 inches up here. Just enough to, well, when I got up here, there's still snow on the trees. It was pretty. Brought up some more stuff I need for the wood stove. But that'll be my next video, because yes, after much preponderance, I'm gonna have to cut a hole in the wall. That's all there is to that. But this is just a quick video, just to stay relevant. So guys, appreciate you stopping in, checking in. Do me a favor, press that subscription or subscribe button, notification bell, and I'll see you next time here at camp. See you guys. Bye.